In this guide, I'll show you how to fix high ping and lag in Apex Legends on PS5. So, the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller. And from here, you want to scroll down and you want to select download/uploads. So, if you have any downloads or uploads currently going on, that could be the reason why you're lagging. And you have the choice of either waiting for it to finish or you can pause it while you're playing. Now, if there's any other devices on your network that are downloading or watching videos and such, that'd be another way to increase your bandwidth and thus your speed. So, the next thing I recommend you do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. And then once you're here, you want to select network. From here, we're going to go to connection status and you want to test your internet connection. So, if you notice that your connection speed for downloads and uploads is a lot slower than what it normally is, the first thing I recommend you do is power cycle your home network. So unplug your modem and or router for 30 to 60 seconds, and I also recommend you fully turn off your console for a few minutes as well. Then once you've done that, you can turn everything back on, plug everything back in, and you can test your internet connection again to see if it improves. Now, another thing you can do is also use a wired connection. It's always going to be faster than using wireless, but we're going to go to set up internet connection. And if you do intend on using Wi Fi, maybe you don't have a cable, for example, what I recommend you do is find your Wi Fi network and then press the start or options button on your controller. And you want to go to Wi Fi frequency bands. Now, by default, it will be on automatic. What I recommend you do is get your PS5 as close to your router as possible and select 5 gigahertz only. Now, if for whatever reason you can't get your PS5 close to your router and you can't use a wired connection, select 2.4 gigahertz rather than the 5 gigahertz. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.